We know that Canva is not an animation tool. In this video, we're learning workarounds to see how we can defy the odds and animate. As I'm learning basic animations on tools like Flip and Blender and others, the basic rule that I'm learning is that it's like flipping a page. Because Canva doesn't have flip a page, we're going to create our own. Let's start by accessing www.canva.com and selecting the video landscape canvas. Next, from your menu, select elements and type night sky building. I found this beautiful skyline and deep night sky. Click to add it to your canvas and then set it as a background. Next, we're going to go back to our elements and we're going to search for more buildings that could be added to our background. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look. Next, we're going to go back to our elements and we're going to search for plane. Then we're going to go to our notes or settings and search for an animated plane. I don't really want to hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt. We are almost done setting up our scene. We're going to go back to our elements and search for banner. And we're also going to leave it as animated and look for that gorgeous one that's talking for you and me. Next, search for a string and then attach it to the plane. Change the color to white. Next, we're going to search for a heart because we would like to create an animated heart. And this is where we're going to be learning these frames on Canva that are animated and placing the lights on Canva. That's the next step. Our scene is set up. Now we want to create frames. So on your timeline, reduce your video size to 1 second. Next, click on the 3 dots for the page 1 and duplicate the page so that you have page 2. Next, head over to elements and then search for glow lights. Scroll down until you get a glow light that is nice and bright and red and use that on page 2. Reduce the size of your glow light and then start aligning it on page 2 on top of our white heart. Then head over to page 2 and duplicate the page so that you have page 3. Click on page 3 and then select the glow that we've added on page 2 so that you have a duplicate of that and then align it next to the glow. Then head over to page 3. Duplicate the page so that you have a 4th page. On your page 4, go copy the glow light and add it on top of the line. You're going to repeat this process over and over until you have a full heart that you've copied all through around. It's very important to note that you copy the last page and then you move the heart. In a way, you are creating an animation this way. So when we're going to be animating the walk, this is exactly the same principle that we're going to be applying. We're going to be duplicating each page and then duplicating each walk so that we have a seamless walk that we're going to be creating together. For now, we're practicing using the glow to create a heart all across the page or our scene. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause
Next, I would select the buildings and then group them together and then lock them so that they are not in the way for me when I'm busy animating the plane. Your next step is to select your plane, your strings, your banner, as well as the lights, and group them so that they are one element and easy to animate. Then I would click on animate and select create an animation, and then I could animate them as flying by the city. That is how you create your frames on Canva and placing different kinds of elements in a place that forms an animation on Canva. If you want to share with your friend, you click on share, or if you want to download, you download it as you please. You could also add audio. There's a lot of flying planes on Canva where you could add audio and you would have amazing, amazing designs. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. Your next step would be for you to watch a creation animation playlist that we have on Canva. I will see you on the next video, probably when we are doing a bouncing ball and a walk, and we are going to be animating and having lots of fun together.